Have you ever wondered if she regrets letting you go? Have you ever caught yourself lying awake at night, staring at the ceiling, wondering if she feels even a fraction of the emptiness you feel? What if I told you there's a way, a stoic way to make sure she does? Not through chasing, not through begging, not through proving anything to her, but by becoming something she never thought she could lose. Today, you're going to learn the real secret, the Stoic secret. Relationships, they can be the highest of highs or the deepest of lows. When two souls intertwine, it feels like destiny itself has spoken. But when one pulls away, when love fractures and the connection breaks, the aftermath is brutal. Breakups tear at the human spirit. They leave you questioning your worth. They create a battlefield between the heart and the mind. One moment, you're convinced she's forgotten you. The next, you cling to the idea that somewhere, deep down, she regrets it. It's natural, it's human, but the truth is far deeper and far more powerful than most people ever realize. Stoicism doesn't teach you to run after lost love. It teaches you to become the kind of man no woman could ever truly walk away from without eventually feeling the sting of regret. Not because you manipulated her, not because you played games, but because you became something rare, unbreakable, unshakable, unforgettable. The moment she walks away, doubt creeps in like a slow poison. You wonder, was I enough? Did she ever really love me? Is she already over me? Does she miss me, even a little? You scroll through your memories, replaying every conversation, every kiss, every laugh. You dissect every argument, trying to find the moment it all went wrong. This is the trap most men fall into after a breakup. They internalize the loss. They make it about their inadequacy. They search for validation from the very person who withdrew it. And in doing so, they give away the last shred of power they have left. But Stoicism, true Stoicism, demands a different path. It teaches you cannot control how she feels. You can only control how you live. The moment you grasp that, you stop focusing on whether she regrets losing you and start focusing on becoming the man she was foolish to lose. That shift changes everything. Now you might wonder, how will I know if she regrets losing me? Here are signs to watch for. But remember, a Stoic man does not wait for these signs. He recognizes them and keeps moving forward regardless. 1. She reaches out without reason. If she sends a message just to check in without a real reason, it's not random, it's regret whispering to her heart. She feels the void you left behind and wants to see if the door is still cracked open. But a Stoic man doesn't open that door easily. 2. She tries to make you jealous. Suddenly she's broadcasting her amazing new life on social media, but the loudest people are often the loneliest. Understand this, if she's trying to show you she's happy, she isn't. 3. She asks about you through mutual friends. When she asks about your life indirectly, is he seeing anyone? How's he doing? It's a sign you still occupy space in her mind. Regret makes people curious. 4. She brings up old memories. If she reminisces about the good times, if she mentions your private jokes, your adventures, it's because she feels their absence more than she expected to. Nostalgia is often the language of regret. 5. She apologizes or admits fault. Sometimes, when regret becomes too heavy to carry, people seek absolution. If she apologizes for the pain she caused, or admits she didn't realize your worth back then, that's the clearest signal of all. But listen carefully. Her regret is not your mission. Your growth is. A Stoic man doesn't seek her validation. He seeks only to master himself. Let's recap the hard truth. Breakups wound the ego. Doubt festers in the aftermath. But chasing validation deepens the pain. Stoicism offers you a different path: acceptance, power, growth. Understand that regret isn't immediate. It's a slow realization, born from comparison between what was lost and what could have been. When you focus on yourself, your body, your mind, your spirit, when you elevate your life, when you stand calm amid the chaos, when you walk in silence while the world expects you to scream, you don't need to make her regret losing you. Her own soul will do the work for you. Because real loss is not about missing the past. It's about recognizing that the future would have been better with you in it. And by then, brother, you will have already become a man too rare, too strong, and too wise to ever look back. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below. Have you ever made someone regret losing you, not through revenge, but by becoming stronger, wiser, and better? I want to hear your story, your journey, your strength. And if you're ready to keep mastering yourself through stoicism and wisdom forged by life's fires, make sure you subscribe to The Wise Stoic. We're just getting started. Your best self is waiting, and it's time the world saw what she lost.